Welcome to the EasyTech Fix It News channel, and this is the market share for September 2020 for the different operating systems around the world. So today we are October 1st, 2020. A new month is starting, and that means we'll take a look back at what happened in the market share for different operating systems for the month of September. We have Android still dominant, which is normal with all the devices out there. 38.5% of all the operating systems out there. If we look at what number it had 39.2% in August. So kind of a drop of 0.75%. But if we look at Windows, which is at 36.27, it also dropped to 35.43. So there's some kind of readjustment here in the operating system numbers, which is kind of interesting. But we see a trend. We see that there's kind of a trend in Android kind of dropping slowly. There's kind of a trend in Windows is pretty much stable. You know, if you look at the beginning, we look at August 2019, 35. We're at, if we look at August 2020, 35. Windows is pretty much stable. Android was at 40.4% last year. It's now at 39.43. It's not a big change, but there's a kind of a small trend downwards. But it's interesting to see that, of course, the two dominant operating system. It's incredible that Windows and Android together are, more than 80% of, not more, but close to 80%. In market share, so 38 plus 36, 74%, 75%. So the 3/4 of everything running an operating system around the world are, either Android or Windows. Then we have iOS. iOS is iPads and iPhones at 14.12%. Let's check out here. It was 14.5 last month. Not much of a change. OS 10 for Mac computers, 8.25%. Stays pretty much at 7.8%. It's within the margin of error, basically. Unknown and Linux I will actually put together, as we know that Linux overall for the desktop operating market share worldwide, it's closer to 2% than anything else. So roughly 2%. Chromebooks, probably Chrome OS somewhere in there. I would guess has a chunk of that unknown in Linux. But that's pretty much what we have in numbers for the month of September 2020. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.